The financial tide is turning, and the next massive bull run is closer than you think. Are you ready to capitalize, or will you be left regretting missed opportunities? The fear of missing out, or FOMO, is a powerful motivator, but smart investors transform that fear into proactive strategy. We're not just talking incremental gains, we're positioning your portfolio for significant wealth acceleration. Today, we're diving deep into 5 high-growth exchange-traded funds, or ETFs, you should seriously consider buying now. These aren't speculative gambles. These are strategic plays designed to capture the upside of emerging market trends and technological advancements. Get ready to supercharge your investment strategy before the window closes. This is your chance to get ahead. Understanding high-growth ETFs is crucial for anyone aiming for substantial long-term wealth. Unlike individual stocks, which carry concentrated risk, ETFs offer instant diversification across numerous companies within a specific sector or theme. This means you gain exposure to high-potential industries without putting all your eggs in one basket, a fundamental principle of sound investing. A bull run signifies sustained market growth, often fueled by economic recovery, technological breakthroughs, or favorable monetary policies. The key is to get in before the market fully recognizes these trends, allowing me to ride the wave from its earlier stages. John's Money Adventures always emphasizes long-term vision, and these ETFs align perfectly. We're looking for sectors poised for exponential expansion driven by artificial intelligence, renewable energy, and global economic shifts. This isn't about chasing fleeting fads. It's identifying structural changes that will redefine our future economy. Preparing now establishes a strong foundation for financial independence. Think of it as planting seeds today for a thriving forest. Our first high-growth powerhouse is the Fidelity MSCI Information Technology Index ETF, ticker FTEC. This ETF provides concentrated exposure to the technology sector, an undeniable engine of modern growth and innovation. FTEC tracks the MSCI USA IMI Information Technology Index, giving you a diversified basket of giants like Apple, Microsoft, Nvidia, and Broadcom. Why FTEC? We are at the precipice of an AI revolution. Cloud computing continues its relentless expansion, and demand for innovative software shows no signs of slowing. Companies within FTEC are at the forefront of these transformations, driving unprecedented change. Investing in FTEC means buying into companies building infrastructure and applications powering the next decade. While technology can be volatile, its long-term trajectory has historically been upwards, consistently outperforming broader markets due to its adaptive nature and constant innovation cycle. With a low expense ratio, FTEC is an efficient way to capture the innovation premium. It's a foundational piece for any growth-oriented portfolio, offering stability through diversification within a dynamic sector. Consider FTech your essential ticket to the ongoing digital revolution, securing your stake in companies shaping our technological future. Next up, we delve into a sector essential for our planet's future, the iShares Global Clean Energy ETF, ticker ICLM. This ETF focuses on companies producing energy from solar, wind, and other renewable sources, or those providing equipment, technology, or services to the clean energy industry. Governments globally are committing trillions to green initiatives. Consumer demand for sustainable solutions is skyrocketing, and renewable energy costs continue to fall, making it increasingly competitive. ICLN gives you exposure to companies like Enphase Energy, First Solar, and Plug Power, positioning your portfolio to benefit from this irreversible shift towards sustainability. Beyond ethical appeal, the financial case for clean energy is compelling. This isn't just environmental responsibility, it's capitalizing on a massive systemic economic transformation that will reshape industries worldwide. The transition to a green economy is a multi-decade trend, ensuring sustained growth potential for decades. While it can experience policy-driven volatility, the long-term outlook for clean energy remains exceptionally bright. ICLN offers a tangible way to invest in a sustainable future while pursuing robust financial returns and aligning with global mandates. Our third growth opportunity takes us across borders to the Vanguard FTSE Emerging Markets ETF, ticker VWO. This ETF invests in stocks of companies located in emerging markets around the world, such as China, India, Brazil, and Taiwan. Why VWO now? These economies are experiencing rapid industrialization, burgeoning middle classes, and demographic advantages that promise sustained economic expansion for decades. While developed markets often grow at a slower, more mature pace, emerging markets offer the potential for significantly higher growth rates, albeit with increased volatility prudent investors understand. VWO provides broad, diversified exposure, mitigating the risk of investing in any single emerging nation. You're essentially buying into the global demographic dividend and the rise of a new consumer class that will drive future spending. As these nations develop, their companies will continue to expand, creating significant value for savvy investors. This ETF isn't just about economic growth, it's about access to diverse consumer bases and untapped market potential. While geopolitical risks and currency fluctuations exist, the long-term trend of emerging market growth is undeniably powerful. For investors seeking aggressive growth and geographical diversification, VWO represents a strategic allocation to the world's future economic powerhouses. Shifting our focus to health and human longevity, our fourth ETF is the iShares Nasdaq Biotechnology ETF, ticker IBB. This ETF provides exposure to U.S.-listed biotechnology and pharmaceutical companies, leading the charge in medical science. The biotech sector is an engine of incredible innovation, constantly pushing the boundaries of medicine, developing new treatments for diseases, and revolutionizing healthcare. We are witnessing breakthroughs in gene editing, immunotherapy, and personalized medicine that were unimaginable just a few years ago. IBB gives you a stake in companies like Amgen, Gilead Sciences, and Moderna, which are at the forefront of these life-changing advancements. Demand for advanced healthcare solutions only increases, driven by an aging global population and continuous scientific discovery that improves human well-being. While biotechnology can be characterized by high research and development costs and significant regulatory hurdles, the potential rewards for successful innovation are immense. IBB offers a diversified approach to investing in this high-risk, high-reward sector, smoothing out the impact of any single drug trial failure. For those looking to invest in the cutting edge of science and the betterment of human health, IBB offers a compelling, concentrated growth play designed for the future. Finally, we arrive at an ETF designed to capture broad disruptive innovation, the ARK Innovation ETF, ticker ARKK. Unlike traditional index funds, ARK is an actively managed ETF that invests in companies it believes are leading disruptive innovation in areas such as artificial intelligence, robotics, genomics, energy storage, and blockchain technology. Cathie Wood and her team are known for their high-conviction, concentrated bets on companies they believe will be future market leaders. Why ARK? Tree innovation often occurs at the intersection of various technologies, creating entirely new industries and transformative business models. ARK AKK aims to identify and invest in these trailblazers before they become mainstream, capturing maximum growth potential. It includes companies like Tesla, Coinbase, and Zoom, reflecting its aggressive growth mandate and visionary approach. This ETF is for investors with a higher risk tolerance, understanding that active management and concentration can lead to both significant upside and considerable volatility. However, for those who believe in exponential technological change and want to invest in companies fundamentally shaping our future, ARK AKK offers a unique, potent vehicle. It's about being on the right side of history, backing companies truly changing how we live and work globally. There you have it, 5 high-growth ETFs poised to potentially deliver substantial returns in the coming bull run. FTEC for tech, ICLN for clean energy, VWO for emerging markets, IBB for biotech, and RKKK for disruptive innovation. Remember, every investment carries risk, and past performance is not indicative of future results. However, strategic allocation to these growth drivers can significantly enhance your long-term wealth accumulation goals. Don't let this opportunity slip by. Your next step should be to delve deeper into each of these ETFs, understanding their specific holdings, expense ratios, and how they fit into your personal financial goals and risk profile. Are you ready to take control of your financial future and make informed decisions? For more in-depth analyses on how to optimize your portfolio for tax efficiency and supercharge your passive income, make sure to explore our extensive library of resources right here on John's Money Adventures. Start building your wealthy future today, with knowledge as your